Hello, welcome to Illy Toys. It's building time today. Of course it's building time. I've got one of the new Lego Heart box sets. This one is Mia. No, hold on. This one is Mia's. It's not actually Mia. We're not building Mia, though that would be really cool. This is her heart box. All of the girls get one, but we're going to start with Mia's box because, well, that was the one I ordered. But we will be building all of them on the channel over the next few weeks, so that's pretty exciting. All right, Mia's box has got Mia in it, obviously, and she has a scratch on her leg. Oh, poor Mia. I'll have to fix that. She is wearing the outfit that we saw her wearing last year in the 2018 sets, but she does have a brand new colour of hair for 2019, a bright red, which is entirely contradictory to the bright orange that she has in the animation. But obviously I've moved on from that. No, I haven't. She also comes with a marshmallow on a stick. A marshmallow on a stick, because she gets a little... Oh, she also gets a baby bunny. Is this like Twister as a baby, or does she have a whole herd of bunnies? Hold on, what is the group collective name for bunnies? I don't know. A hop of bunnies. The bunny, little Twister I'm going to call it, has got sunglasses, and that's because we had spare sunglasses in the set, and some for Mia herself. She also has got a walkie-talkie. So I was about to say, before the bunny interrupted me with its cuteness, she gets a whole heap of outdoorsy kind of things because this is Mia's signature behavior. Like, her signature thing is being outdoorsy and adventure-y, and she's got some binoculars that she's not going to be able to use very effectively, but that's okay. She's going to have so much fun with all this stuff anyway, and she's got little baby Twister. Oh, and she also, so useful. This is good because she's got a marshmallow on a stick. She needs a little bonfire, little tiny log fire to roast it on. Perfect. We'll not put that too close to the baby bunny. We can sit Mia down to toast her marshmallow while we build her the heart box. So at the moment they're just hanging out in the wilderness with all their stuff because we haven't given them somewhere to be stored yet. So this little heart box is actually, apart from being a clever little box that is heart-shaped, obviously, it is also a little travel storage container where you can just chuck Mia and her friends and her stuff into it, and you've got a nice little contained play set, and you can take her out and you can play with her on the top of it. But at the moment we've got a nice heart-shaped base at the moment with a nice smooth inside. I love all these smooth tiles, and it looks like we are going to smooth around just about everywhere. That's very, very cool. I love all those smooth tiles. And now we get to build up the sides of the box. More curved tiles too. That makes me, curved bricks, which makes me very happy. Got green and purple so far, which are the colors that we now associate with Mia. We're going to build up. How deep is this box going to be? Just deep enough. Missing a piece. Oh, no, not. Hold on. I need to move that over, and I need to put a single one over there, and then we're perfect. Now we can smooth along the top. So this is the top of the bottom part of the box. Yes. And we've got the little single studs there so that we can clip the lid on. But apart from those, I don't think we're going to see many exposed studs at all. All going to be lovely and smooth with no studdy edges to catch on things. And this... we're now starting on the lid, and it's a printed piece with Mia and her little lightning with the earth symbol. So these little exposed studs are going to be sitting on the top because we can actually set Mia up on top of the box. We could set a little scene up just like we have behind where I'm building at the moment. We could set that up on top of the box and she'll stay nice and steady there because she'll be stuck onto the studs. But we'll do all that in a moment. Let's finish building the box. These little underbits help keep all of those pieces together and situate it nicely on the base of the box. So let's pop her in here. We are all done. It's the cutest little box. I'm going to really enjoy collecting these. In she goes. She can lie down. She's in there with the lit campfire. That's so cute. So cute, but it's not finished yet because if you want to display this cute little feature here is a display stand. Isn't that so simple and so effective? And you can tip it up on its side and you've got a gorgeous heart box display. I love it. I really, really do love it. And I was wrong about the studs. There's actually a whole heap of exposed ones on the top. We're supposed to put our little flame down while it's away in the box so it fits better. But look, we can also display Mia on the top of the box if we want to. And we might bring baby Twister out as well. And we could put them on the stand. No, that's not going to work. Though that does look kind of fun, but it's not a very good display. So obviously, if you're going to display Mia, you're going to need to do it a different way. You can also tip everything out, and you could use this like a little cave. Like a cave that she is going to spend the night in. You could set your campfire up over here, and you could put little Twister in. And look, now she's got a heart-shaped cave to hang out in. Or, of course, we could set up the whole scene on the top of the box as well. So it makes a great little travel kit. You can chuck them all in there, you take it, and you can play with it on the go. I love it. Oh, Mia loves it too. Hold on, she's investigating what's in there. Oh, what's in there? Oh, be careful, the box will eat you. No, it won't eat you. Here, come on. Twister will rescue you. It's the tiny bunny will rescue you. That is such a spectacular box. Let's tidy everything away. Look at how easy that is to tidy. All done. Let's go and put it away. And it'll be ready for when we do some more of the heart-shaped boxes. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you check out some of my other videos. And I will be back with a new one. You know it very, very soon. So I'll see you then. Bye.